Hello everyone, welcome to Selenium. Today's topic is JavaScript Executor. JavaScript Executor allows Selenium to run JavaScript code inside the browser. Why we need it? Element is present but not clickable. UI has overlays or hidden elements. Scrolling is required. Normal click fails due to complex UI. Common JavaScript executor use cases are click element, scroll page, set value directly, highlight elements, get page info. JavaScript executor works inside the browser, not through WebDriver actions. If you see in the sample script, normal click may fail. So I am using JavaScript executor. The click happens directly through JavaScript. This bypasses Selenium's UI method, that is click method. This is useful in complex applications. Let me run, then you will see how JavaScript executor works. If you see in the sample script, we are clicking on login button without Selenium method. So if you see, it clicked on login method and something went wrong as we did not enter username password. So click using JavaScript executor. Successful. I will close the application. Let me recap. JavaScript executor bypasses WebDriver limitations. Like here, we are not using Selenium default method click. JavaScript executor as a fallback, not as a default method. This should be used when we are not able to perform using Selenium click method. Overusing of JavaScript executor hides real issues. So we need to minimize the use of JavaScript executor. Use only when Selenium fails. Like we are not able to perform click action or enter keys using Selenium default methods. Then only JavaScript executor helps.